Hey, look, today we finna be going over how to lock in with the bank because it's so important that you start a relationship off with this bank, and you should never, ever, ever just have one bank account. So if you got one bank account now, you just leaving bread on the table. You should have a minimum of 3 bank accounts, minimum of 3 bank accounts. No matter if you got $50 or $100 in one, it's your main bank account. It don't matter. Long as you got a relationship with this bank, you should have you a minimum of 3 bank accounts. And you gotta know, you have to know where these banks pull from. That's why your credit is so important, man, because some banks just pull from Experian or TransUnion. You don't wanna have all banks that just pull from Experian, and you don't wanna have no TransUnion or Equifax bank. You wanna have them spread it out so you got different relationships because it's tied in with your credit, man. That's how you gonna get the bag. But today I'm gonna be going over how to lock in with your bank. Now, when you go into these banks and start your relationship off, you wanna come in the bank strong. You don't wanna come in the bank just getting one product. So when you go inside these banks, you wanna make sure that you get you a checkers account. I'll be seeing some people just having a checkers account and not savers. So you wanna get you a checkers account and you wanna get you a savings account. Why checkers and savings account so important? Because this counts as 2 products. You don't just have one product. You want to be locked in with the bank, because when you start a relationship out, you want to be locked in with this bank, man. That's just like a real relationship. You don't just want a kiss. You want everything that comes with the kiss. So you got to treat these banks like a relationship. So you want everything that they got to offer. So we coming in hot already. We got a checkers account and a savings account. Now, once we open up a checkers account and a savings account, we're going to go to our secure loan. We want to make sure that we get a secure loan. A secure loan is nothing but a loan. A secure loan is nothing but your personal loan that you starting with yourself. You putting money into your savings account, they're going to use it as collateral, and you're going to pay yourself back to build your credit with the credit bureaus. That's a secure loan. Some banks may call it something else, but all of it the same. You just building credit and you building your internal score with that bank. So that's important. That's vital when you start a relationship off with the bank, because that's letting them know you rocking with them. I want a secure loan. I'm locked in with y'all. I'm putting my money up as collateral. I'm locked in with y'all. So you see, we got 3 products. We coming in strong. Once you get these 3 products right here, you know what we're going for next. We need us a credit card. We get a credit card. Now, once we get that credit card, now we got 4 products. We overlocked in with the bank. We overlocked in. We got money in our checkers account, savings account, and we got a secure loan going around every month revolving, and we got a credit card. If they deny you for a credit card, they still gonna give you a. If they still gonna give you a secure card, they gonna give you a secure credit card. Now, a secure credit card is the same thing as a credit card, but it's like you putting your money up and you using it like a credit card and paying it back every month. See, don't get it confused. A secure loan and a secured credit card. It's 2 different things, but it's like it's secured. You're putting your money up. When it get unsecured, that means the bank giving you the money or the bank giving you the credit card. So you got to know the difference between secured is your money, unsecured is the bank money. That's the difference. Now we got all these products. Look how many products we got. We got all these products. That means we over locked in with this bank. And we gonna do this 3-4 times with 3 different banks. So when you start these relationships, you gonna be locked in. That's how you go get the bag. You don't just go try to go get the bag with a checkers account. We not doing that. We going in big boy style. We need to go in with 4-5 products off top, off back. So when it's time to go to the business side, it's gonna be easier. Oh, he got money on his personal side. So now when you come on the business side and you try to get a credit card or a business line of credit, they gonna lay it on you because you are already locked in. You got a relationship with this bank. So that's why it's so important to start these relationships. And this not it. When we start these relationships off with the bank, this just the beginning. Now, when you get in the dough, you are already in the dough all the way now. You got 4-5 products. Now it's time to go talk to somebody. You don't want to talk to the clerk. The clerk is cool when they give me some money or I'm depositing some money. That's who you want to talk to. But when it's time to talk about big boy things, credit cards, loans, and all that, you want to go talk to your business relationship manager. That's important. Business relationship manager. This is vital when you start a relationship, man. It's is probably, you gotta get cool with your business relationship manager. BRM, when you hear people saying that, get cool with your BRM, business relationship manager, because that's who gonna give you the bag. That's who I want to talk to. I want to talk to my business relationship manager. You want to go out for to lunch with them, have coffee with them, do anything with them, because that's who gonna make your bag go through. You feel me? Anything that you ask for, the business relationship manager got the power to push it through. So when you walking inside these banks, tap in with the business relationship manager. Even if you ain't getting nothing right now, just start a relationship off with them. Get their name, get familiar with them. So when you walking inside the bank, I always speak to them, because when it's time to go get them big bucks, that's who you need to talk to, your business relationship manager, man. But look, it's very, very important. Everything that I just told you important. And your credit is vital when you're trying to do all this. Don't think you just gonna get the bank accounts and do all this. Your credit ain't got nothing to do with it. No, your credit is the main factor, because when you're trying to go get loans and you're trying to go get credit cards, your credit gonna kick in. So you gotta know which banks pull from which bureaus and where they pull from. You gotta know all this information, man. I hope I'm not going too fast for you, but you gotta pack all this information up, unpack it, do everything that you need to do. But if you need more help, join my mentorship, and I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna hold your hand. We're gonna do everything. And if you don't got my Rags to Riches ebook, you missing out. All the plays inside the Rags to Riches ebook. It's like I'm holding your hand inside a book. It's gonna come directly to your phone. It's like I'm in your phone holding your hand, you know? But it's Mr. Rags to Riches, man, and I'm out.